To open the seed trench, the Early Riser planter uses two offset opening discs. When they're new, they measure 14 inches in diameter. At 13.5 inches, they should be replaced with genuine Case IH new opener discs. The clearance between the openers should measure between 0 and 1/8 of an inch. To adjust this clearance, remove the opening disc and install or remove washers as needed. Be sure to check the opening discs for any kind of runout or wobble. If they're starting to show signs of runout, replace the opening disc or the bearing as needed. The Early Riser planter prides itself on precise depth control. The Early Riser opener discs are the start of that process. It cuts through residue, it opens the seed trench, and also starts the bottom of that trench. Because of this, opener discs should be replaced in pairs. If only one is replaced, that could cause a problem and hinder our depth control for seed placement. These opener discs are available from your Case IH dealer. They're made of earth metal and are known for their long wear characteristics. Several different thicknesses to improve wear life are also available. Our standard opening disc is 3.5 millimeters. The 4.5 millimeter disc or 5 millimeter disc is available from the parts department at your Case IH dealership. All of our opening discs are now available in a new heavy-duty, low-profile bearing. Please see your Case IH dealer and your parts department for more details. On the outside of the opening disc is a scraper. The scraper is there to remove any excess soil that might get built up on the opening disc. When a soil is no longer being removed by the scraper, it's time to replace it. After the opening disc, cut through the residue and open the seed trench. A firming point removes any excess soil from that trench. We want precise depth control, and that firming point allows that. The firming point does wear. We want to make sure that we replace it at the same time we replace the opening disc for precise depth control. To know if that firming point is wore out, we use the firming point gauge. The operator should slide the gauge over the bottom of the firming point and look in the window. If the window shows any portion of the gauge wheel, it doesn't really need to be replaced at this time, unless you have replaced the openers. If you do not see any of the point of the firming point there, the firming point should be replaced with genuine Case IH firming points. The Early Riser row unit is known for its early, even emergence. The seed shoe is responsible for protecting the seed while the seed is dropped down through and into the seed trench. The shoe helps provide that depth control. We want to make sure and check the seed shoe for any wear on the sides as well as alignment within the opening discs. If the seed shoe is off to the side or off to the right or left, we might find that our seed placement is not where we want it to be. If it is off to the left or right, we want to make sure that we loosen the two bolts that mount it and move it back to the center.